than ever. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, council member, this innovation is expected to empower both businesses and individuals. Again, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, this innovation is expected to empower both businesses and individuals, encouraging adherence to legislative instruments 1724 and 2249, which mandates all public and private premises to acquire fire permits and certificates. I would like to extend my sincere congratulations to the Chief Fire Officer, Julius Kuno, and his dedicated team for this bold initiative in enhancing fire prevention and protection efforts. This is but one of the many strides that the Ghana National Fire Service has made in recent times. Over the past 2 years, the service has established 2 additional fire academy training schools, as well as a fire college dedicated to the ongoing training and retraining of our firefighters and senior officers respectively. Furthermore, the training facilities in Jamestown, that's where I come from, Accra, have undergone significant renovations, including the construction of 2 new dormitories for male and female firefighters, a dining hall, a 2-classroom block, along with an upgraded training square to enhance our training capabilities. Distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, I also wish to extend my gratitude to my colleague Minister of Trade, Honorable A.T. Hammond, who is ably represented by my good brother Kofi Ahinkra. Now I got it right. An MP as well, a Deputy Minister of Trade and Industry, and all stakeholders whose support has been instrumental in bringing this vision to fruition. The Ghana National Fire Service is recognized as a pivotal partner in our nation's development. In line with this recognition, our government is actively procuring a new firefighting equipment and logistics to further enhance the service's capabilities. We anticipate the arrival of this new equipment soon, which will undoubtedly improve our ability to save lives and protect properties. Before I conclude, I watched carefully the presentation made, or rather the video, and the Chief Officer, if you permit me, as a former regional minister, I would like to make a few suggestions which may have respectfully incorporated in your application processes will help. So, when your DO visited a gentleman, straight away ask for documents. Okay? So, I've noticed 2 former RESEC members of mine now promoted or rather elevated to the high office in the Ghana National Fire Service. And I believe that if you tap into their experience as former RESEC members, it will help. There is a department with the regional coordinating councils across the country that is known as a special planning unit. Now, I think that with this wonderful innovation, you will be well placed for you through your regional fire officers to liaise with the Lands Commission and special planning to get schemes of the various assemblies, so that sitting in your offices, you know that this area has been designated for A, B, C, D. And then perhaps if you get the map for the area of all the regions, the metropolitan areas, the municipal areas, the district areas. It will afford you the opportunity sitting in the comfort of your office to say that, okay, so Henry Quarter has called from Oxford Street and wants to apply for a fire permit or certificate. Does that building actually sits on an approved area, or it is not, or it's not been approved by the spatial unit? I think once you get all of that, it will help. And sometimes, if you are able to apply that very well, I think it can improve on your revenue generation. But if you are not careful, you will encounter some problems. Because if I build in an enclosed area, you try to give me fire permit, then you're giving me, uh, you rather legalize me or regularize me. And when I was a regional minister, I didn't take kindly to these things. Again, with the collaboration of the MMDCs or Ds, you should be able to get a list of all buildings within the catchment area. So that will make it easier for you to do your financial projections. So these are a few suggestions that comes into mind. But if I remember something, I'll pass it through to the chief officer. So finally, as I conclude, I urge all personnel to fully embrace and support the implementation and sustainability of the automated fire permit and certification management system. With a small uh, opportunity, I won't say small opportunity that I have, I hereby declare the automated fire permit and certification management system officially launched. I thank you very much. Reduce turnaround times and eliminate inconveniences that applicants have long endured. My hope is that this system will serve as an incentive for all who have hesitated to fulfill their responsibilities in obtaining fire permits and certificates